This is the homework quiz for week number 16, and this is question number 9, which asks us to write the following numbers in order from greatest to least, from the biggest to the smallest this time. But apart from that, we're going to solve this the same way that we did in question number 8. We're going to put the numbers into the same form. Right now, they're mixed into percents and fractions and decimals. We're going to write them all as decimals because it's easier to compare that way. And then we're going to put them on a number line, and then we're going to go back and make sure that we're writing them, in this case, from the greatest to the least. So let's begin and put the numbers all into decimal form. The first one, 35 hundredths, is already a decimal, as is 8 tenths. 20% we can change to a decimal to make that 2 tenths. And 74 hundredths we can write as a decimal that sounds the same way, 74 hundredths, but it's written as a decimal. And here's our number line that's divided into tenths. The smallest number that we have is 2 tenths. So it's the second of those 1/10 lines. And the next number is going to be 35 hundredths, the next biggest. 74 hundredths is in between 7 and 8 tenths, a little bit closer to 7 tenths. And 8 tenths is the largest of the 4 numbers. So let's write those down below in the order that we have found them here. So 2 tenths, or 20%, is going to be the smallest. Then 35 hundredths, then 74 hundredths, and then 8 tenths. But that's not what the question asks. The question asks us to put the numbers in order from the greatest to the least, from the biggest to the smallest. So let's go back and change this and switch it around so that we have 8 tenths first, and then 74 hundredths, and then 35 hundredths, and then 20%, because that's what the question is asking us to do. So once we place them in order, changing them all to decimals, placing them on a number line, then we can go back and reread the question and make sure that we're answering it correctly, and putting things in order, in this case, from the largest to the smallest, from the greatest to the least. Go ahead and try the practice problem for homework quiz number 16, week number 16, and question number 9.